Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Well, let's move on from the big screen to the small screen. एक latest report के मुताबिक general entertainment channels के बीच चल रहे number game में films are playing a major role. So to discuss the impact of the film business on television business, we have with us Manoj Malkani, Vice President at MPG, a leading media buying agency. Welcome to the show, Manoj.
Thank you.
GECs and the TRP war within is no secret at all. But क्या movies उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा एक role play करती हैं, impactful हैं?
Impactful तो हैं क्योंकि क्या होता है कि एक फटीक लेवल आ जाता है अगर आप रेगुलर मंडे टू फ्राइडे शोज अगर आप देखेंगे. These movies bring in lot of variety. Normally GEC channels are supposed to be more woman oriented. You know, woman viewership is higher. So they also bring in newer audiences. They also bring in male audiences. So also the movies are playing an important role, of course, yes. You know, the kind of GRPs, it fluctuates between the channels. So one week you'll find Star Plus doing well, the other week you'll find Colors doing well. So that's the kind of fight which happens.
Acquisition कैसे होता है? Is it like a huge competition, channel fight? Who decides and how does the whole game begin?
See, what happens is once the box office result is out, okay, so the director and the producer of the movie decide on a price कि okay मुझे तो 15 करोड़ चाहिए या 10 करोड़ चाहिए या 5 करोड़ चाहिए. So depending on the hit they give, they decide on a approximate pricing, and which is where the channels are asked to bid. Okay, so there would be one channel who will say X amount of price, the other channel will say अच्छा मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा देता हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, रेटिंग बढ़ानी है मेरे चैनल की. तो उस हिसाब से this is how the prices over a period of time have gone up. Okay, if you got to see earlier, the movies were tied for almost like 5 years and 10 years of contracts, but now they have been decided on the airing basis. So 50 airing हो गए, 10 airing हो गए, ऐसे करके price fluctuate हो गया है अभी. तो प्राइसिंग स्ट्रैटेजी बदल चुका है.
Still true कि हिट्स हमारे पास कम है और चैनल ज़्यादा हैं.
हिट्स जिसके पास ज़्यादा होती हैं वो ज़्यादा प्राइस डिमांड कर सकते हैं मार्केट से, तो उनका रेट बदल जाता है, उनका तौर तरीका बदल जाता है कि हमारे पास आज माय नेम इज़ खान है या हमारे पास 3 इडियट्स है. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain. Give me another chance, I want to grow up once again.
इस bid winning की बात करें तो recently what came in the news was 3 Idiots, जहाँ Sony procured it for 35 crores, 50 airings over 5 years. How sure are they and why are they so sure?
See, the return on investment doesn't only happen on the movie per se. So if I decide to spend say X amount on the channel, so some part of my commercial time will go on the movie, some part will go on various other programs. So that helps me to bring down my effective rate on the channel, as well as the channel makes more money because he gets a chunk of business from me.
जो confusion फिर आती है उसके बाद ये, for example, What's Your Rashi got a 2.5, which was probably higher than their content on TV then. So वहाँ पे कैसे justification होती है जहाँ box office में तो इतना उनको ratings नहीं मिलती हैं, but the moment they're on TV, they're doing averagely well. So when you procure, is that one of the criteria, or the hit flop doesn't matter? What matters?
See, the matter here is that what happens in the case when the TRPs don't happen on in the theaters, that means most of the people have not seen the movie. Okay, so once you start promoting the movie on the channel, depending on the channel, you get those audiences who have not watched it on theater will watch it because it's coming free to them, okay, on the channel itself. So they like to watch at home. So that's where the TRP of most of the movies who are doing average, you get higher ratings.
So, in your opinion, do you think it's more economical to go ahead and buy films than create content? Because the kind of ratings that the films are getting are a pat on the back.
If the prices are going to touch 35 crores, I don't know whether the channel guys will love to buy it.
But you did say that ROI wasn't all that hard to get. अगर investment का return मिल जाता है तो फिर 35 crores की क्या बात है?
हाँ, सही बात है।
Okay,
I mean, फिर तो कोई भी चीज़ की सीमा नहीं होती, because once you have decided कि okay, मुझे खर्चा करना ही है, you know, and you want your channel to be almost there between 1 or 2 in terms of sheer numbers, then you don't mind spending it.
बाकी तो वो पता नहीं हमें, but आज की TRP is way hoping would be really high. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you so much. Thanks.